Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to save voice messages on Instagram in 2022. So first of all, let's go to Instagram. Let's go to our DMs right here. And as you can see, this is a voice message right here. And as you can see, if we, go and tap on it, we can only like the message, right? We can't actually save the message. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to go here and let's go to our Play Store. And we can go here and type in AZ Recorder or AZ Screen Recorder, right? And we can tap here. And what I would suggest you is to download AZ Screen Recorder right here. Now, I already have it here. As you can see, I'm recording with it, right? And this will also record every sound on your mobile phone, right? So if we play this, right, we can, see. Hey everyone, welcome to another video. And that way I can basically save, voice messages on Instagram, which is pretty awesome. So this is the only workaround on how to save voice messages, on Instagram from your DMs. And yeah, just make sure to download that and then you can record and yeah, that will save your, messages as a video file. And then you can later on turn it and convert it into MP3 if you want. So I hope this video helps. If it did, leave a like down below and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.